You our beautiful horse that will greet you as soon as you walk into our new store. Giving him a little bit of our stain, and I'm using our gel stain and putting on tobacco on him just to tone him down a little bit and warm him up, getting him back into some of the crevices and touching up areas where he looks really dry. Using this terry cloth is going to put a little bit of a grain. You see how that's leaving that in there? Just a little. I don't want to do a lot, but if I don't want those lines, I just give it a nice little stipple. This is pretty slick, but that will dry without having to remove the finish that was on there. Right there on his chest, if you can see that piece that's just kind of shining right there. Just tone that down because I like the dimension that it has, but if you can see it in its entirety here, some of the pieces stand out pretty heavy, and I want to kind of richen him down a little bit.
Don't try to tame me, baby, I'm a wild horse, ain't gonna break me.